How to log in into Disney Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Disney Plus. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser, and after you open up your web browser, simply search for disneyplus.com. Head over to Disney Plus's official website, and after you're on Disney Plus official website, tap on the login option on the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you can sign up from your email address right here. So let's head over to login for now. After you do that, it will prompt you to this website where you can type in your email address. And after you type in your email address, tap on continue. And after you do that, you can then be prompted. You will then be prompted to type in your password. After you type in your password, you'll get logged in into your Disney Plus account. So if you don't have an account, if you tap on continue, it will prompt you into creating a new one. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.